Hi, my name is Dr. Brad Fackrell from Synergy Spine and Nerve Center. Now today I want to discuss with you symptoms or causes and allow you to question yourself. Are you seeking for numbness or for functional restoration? I want to use the analogy of a dentist when you have a toothache. If you're having pain, you could just ask your dentist to give you a shot to cause numbness so that you don't feel the pain anymore, and then you can go on your merry way. While a fictional and unethical dentist may honor your request, a good dentist finds the cause of your pain and then discusses options with you, and if you choose, addresses the cause of the toothache. This is called functional restoration. When you came to my office, you were probably looking for some symptom relief. You want to feel better, I get it. Do you want to feel better by numbing the problem, or are you wanting some functional restoration? In our office, we've performed a functional analysis in order to determine the cause of your symptoms. We either have or will propose a solution to your problems, which is the cause of your symptoms. The solution includes a recommendation of something called the triune of care. These are three things that the research shows will help you to have functional restoration. You can choose to follow and be diligent with the triune of care, all of it or not. The choice is yours. The results you will get in our office will be determined by your choices. Now, I look forward to helping you in whatever capacity you choose. Feel free to let me know what you choose on your next visit. The backdrop for today's video is outside of Cortez, Colorado, at a place called Phil's World. If you'd like to see a couple of clips of today's ride, you can stay tuned, and I hope you have an absolutely wonderful day.